Hello everyone, today let's talk about rubber brake capsule. This is made of Edpm rubber, and this size is size SC4523R. You can through this size to find this rubber brake capsules, and it has thick logo. It's made of Edpm rubber. This is the L size. You also can through this size to find these seals. It also has many following features, such as vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water. If you need this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order, and our factory can provide the customer the service. We have every size can customers welcome.